Well, hello there. This is Mr. K, and here we are again with One Point Perspective City Scene. And you're going to see how to do the steps to start your city scene. It doesn't go all the way through to the end, but it gives you a good start of the project. What you're going to need is you're going to need a 12 by 18 inch piece of paper, pencil and eraser. We're going to do this with the horizon line right down the center. So we fold it in half and create a 1 point vanishing point in the center of the paper on that horizon line. We're going to create a right and left hand side facing building, and we're going to look down the roadway towards the vanishing point in the distance. So here we go. And we're creating the front facing sides of the building, but the tops and bottoms of the corners of the building are going to create the sides of the building and the tops of the building going towards the vanishing point. Okay, so it's like, and we're going to see the sides of the building now. Make sure they're parallel to the initial paper that we, the line that we drew. And as the buildings get closer, they should be close to the vanishing point. They should be tighter together. Okay, things get smaller as they recede in space. So this first building is large. Then we get a medium-sized one and maybe a little smaller. Okay, and we're also going to create the sidewalk. So I'm going to start with a line there and then go right to the vanishing point there. Again, on the left side, create that parallel line and then from the corner to the vanishing point. Now this is a little tricky. We're going to move all the way down, drawing a parallel line to the initial one, all the way down towards the vanishing point. And as it gets closer and closer to that vanishing point, further away, those sidewalk pieces get smaller and smaller. So you gotta move that ruler ever so slowly. You might use might need an eraser here. I tried doing it freehand, but you could use a fine tipped pencil to create those. Notice I'm going to use the ruler to create from the vanishing point the other direction. There we go. So you can see the sidewalk going towards off page. So here are the other chunks of the sidewalk. Okay, and there we go. We'll get that side there. We're also going to do the center line, as you would the yellow dotted line or the dashed line that's in the dividing line of the road. So we created some couple of lines to the vanishing point, and then again, as they get further away from the viewer or closer to that vanishing point, the line should get a little bit smaller and smaller as they go up. Now we're going to do the doors on the right hand side. So that's the top of the doorway, and keeping with the parallel lines of the initial line, we slide it over. There's a doorknob. Okay, the right side and the left side of the door, and the final door. Okay, and so we've got, we'll put a door on the front. Now again, that doesn't go to any of the vanishing points. It's flat. So that's our door right there in the front. Okay, now you could also put some at the top there, but we're going to talk about making some windows. And I got rid of the rest of that vanishing point line there so you can see. Let me see if I add that. There we go. Added the horizon line so you can see the land. But now we're going to make a line to create 3 either windows or banners or storefront signs. Keep those lines parallel. There we go. Now you can start to see the windows or storefront signs take shape. You could make little curtains in there if you wanted to, if it's somebody's apartment maybe, or you can make it crisscross, or you can draw on the outside and make a sign there, like a marquee. I put movies on there. All right, so we'll fix that other side there. So now you can see the beginnings of One Point Perspective City. We have the signs on the other side too. It doesn't have to be perfect, but do the best you can. Use that point there, and you can make your doors on the other side. Little hinges for the door. You can make other signs or windows there. See, I'm freehanding it now. All right. More curtains. All right, so just the beginnings of a city scene. Let's see what you can do.